How to Restore a Wood Finish on a Bedside Cupboard Without Sanding or Stripping by Howard Products. With our products, you'll see that you don't have to go to the extreme of stripping it or paying someone else to strip it. You can easily restore wood finishes yourself while saving time and money. This antique has been through lots of wear and tear. The finish is faded, scratched, has paint drips, and the surface has some water damage from being used as a nightstand. Our first step is to apply Restore-A-Finish. All you have to do is refer to our color chart to determine the color of your finish. When comparing this finish to the color chart, you'll see that it most resembles the walnut color chip. Now let's apply Howard Restor-A-Finish. We'll start by applying Restore-A-Finish with a soft cloth. When you apply Restore-A-Finish, it immediately becomes part of the existing finish. See that? Restore-A-Finish's penetrating color enters the finish and blends out the surface blemish. For stubborn areas, apply Restore-A-Finish with superfine 4/0 steel wool and rub with the grain of the wood. I'll rub hard enough with the grain to blend out the white marks, but be careful not to rub through the finish to the wood below. With a simple wipe-on, wipe-off process, you can restore most of your finished wood surfaces in minutes, even the ones you thought would need a complete refinishing job. Restore-A-Finish is available in 9 different colors: neutral, maple pine, golden oak, cherry, walnut, mahogany, dark walnut, dark oak, and ebony brown. Restore-A-Finish's unique penetrating formula restores the original color and luster to your finish while blending out the blemishes and minor scratches. Let's restore the rest of this piece. See the difference? You'll see there's no trace of scratches or white marks. Remember to always wipe dry with a soft cloth. Here you can see some typical nicks and scratches. I'll apply Restore-A-Finish with superfine 4/0 steel wool and gently rub. Now as you can see, the color penetrates the finish and blends out the nicks and scratches. Immediately wipe dry and the finish is permanently restored. With Restore-A-Finish, you'll find that most furniture that seems to need a complete refinishing job can be restored in just a few minutes without removing any of the existing finish. Use Restore-A-Finish to quickly blend out white heat rings and watermarks, sun fade, oxidation, smoke damage, and most other blemishes on your wood surface. Once you've restored your wood, you'll use feed and wax to maintain your newly restored finish and keep it looking its best. Feed and wax has been developed to be the perfect follow-up to Restore-A-Finish to maintain and preserve the beauty of your restored finish. It's also the perfect conditioner for any wood surface, both old and new. This conditioner enhances the natural beauty and depth of grain on all your woods, finished or unfinished. Feed and wax polishes all wood surfaces to a soft luster with a protective coating of carnauba wax and beeswax. It introduces conditioning oils that feed the wood and helps keep it from drying and cracking. Feed and wax works best when you let the oils penetrate the surface for 20 minutes or so. Remember, generously apply feed and wax to a soft cloth and wipe on, and wipe dry 20 minutes later. You'll use feed and wax every month or so, whenever the finish looks faded or dry. With a simple wipe-on, wipe-off process, you can restore most of your finished wood surfaces in minutes, even the ones you thought would need a complete refinishing job. For more information, visit our website at howardproducts.com.